welcome back to Pastor Kim's Corner, and it's me, Pastor Kim. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, post a comment, and hit the notification bell so that you can find out every time I am uploading a video. So these are keto-friendly green beans, real simple, really delicious. Let's get right into it and check it out. So first I'm starting with some smoked turkey wings. So it's just actually one cut into 3 pieces. And I'm going to rinse it off really well. And then I'm going to boil it to get some of the salt out of it. When you're making any type of vegetable like collard greens or string beans, after you wash it and you boil it to get some of the salt off of it, you could actually use that same water if you wanted to, but I don't like to do that depending on what it looks like when I boil it. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Okay, so I've just finished boiling this, and you can see, I'll try to show you up close, but it has like a lot of little particles, and it's a really kind of not so good looking ring around the pot. So this I wouldn't save. I'm going to pour this out and rinse them again, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay guys, so I've washed the wing and I've also washed the pan out again. You can still see the steam coming off. And the next thing I'm going to do is take the string beans out. They come from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to rinse them off and put them in the pan. Okay, so now the string beans have been rinsed, and we're going to place them in the pan, add some salt and pepper, and get them to cooking. Okay guys, so now I'm just adding half of an onion, chopped. Okay, so I also will be adding chicken stock, and after that you can let this all boil on the stove for about an hour and a half. That is pure goodness right there, okay? Let me say it again. That ain't nothing but pure goodness.